Hey, what's up guys, this is about another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Tecno Pova as well as a full review of it. Right, so moving on to the unboxing. So I've been using the phone for like a day. Yeah, so I just repackaged it for you guys to get a full unboxing experience. So yeah, have that in mind. So it's already on, and yeah. So what you get in the box, obviously, the first thing that you're going to be getting is the phone itself. And the specifications Tecno is pushing 6000 mAh battery, which is obviously the selling point of the phone, and 6.8 mega display. And the 18-watt flash charging, which is I think a very important feature given you have a very big capacity of battery. So you need to charge it up with at least some good wattage, right? And you get the 120 touch sampling rate, yeah, which is not the same as the 120 Hz refresh rate of the display. Okay, so this is just basically the number of times the screen is going to be scanning for your input on the display per second, right there. So yeah, that's basically it. The specifications Tecno is pushing. Yeah, put that to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box. Right, so things that you get the case. I'll be trying on that in a bit. The 12 plus 1 month warranty. You get your 18-watt charger, SIM ejector tool, as well as the micro USB set of headphones right there. Yeah, so that's all that you get in the box, which is a lot, obviously, by today's standards, by 2021 standards. You don't usually get too much in the box these days. Right, so I'll just go ahead and look at the device itself. Get that out there. Okay. Right, so let's look at the device itself. Right, so the first thing I want to do for you guys is try on the case. Let you guys see what it looks like on the case on. So yeah, that's basically what it's going to look like with this silicone case on, if you're wondering, right there. Let's get that off and look at the device itself. Right, so first thing obviously you're going to notice is the 6.8 inch 720p display, 60 Hz. Not so impressive. So there's nothing really impressive over the display. Touch sampling rate is not that impressive. Most people won't even notice at all. Yeah. And then looking at the back cameras, you get the dual 13MP megapixel cameras. So yeah, I just repeated myself right there. 13MP megapixel, right? 13MP cameras right there, and here's your quad flash, I imagine, right there, and your fingerprint scanner at the back, which is quite fast. You guys can tell it's pretty snappy. No issues right there. And then yeah, you get a good camera at the back, at the front, water drop notch, yeah, which is okay at this price point. Yeah, and then at the bottom you get your single pairing speaker, your micro USB, your microphone, and headphone jack port right there. And on the side here on the right, you have all your buttons, power button and volume rockers right there. At the top you have nothing, yeah, no noise cancelling mic, and on the side over here, on the side you get your whatever you SIM card and SD card slot and tray. Let's see, let's confirm that yeah, you get dual SIMs and micro SD card slot, as you'd expect at this price point right there. So you're moving on to the rest of the phone. Starting off with the display, so you have a 720p 60 Hz display, which is not really that exciting at all, to be honest. And the colors are quite washed out. It's not that saturated because obviously 6.8 inches 720p, the resolution is too low, and you have a very huge display, so you get a very low PPI, pixels per inch. Yeah, and that makes the display look a little washed out. So yeah, that's the truth. The display is nothing exciting. So at least it's a really big display, so you'll be enjoying your consumption. Yeah, but obviously not in the highest quality. At least you get the big mega display, as Tecno calls it, right? So that's about the display. So moving on to the most important part of this phone, which is the battery life. The battery life on this is really good, right? So when I got this phone out of the box, it was 73%. So and I've used it a lot. Played a few games here and there, installed all these apps. Obviously it has been connected to Wi-Fi, never had a SIM card in it. Yeah, still the battery life is really impressive. It's still at 56%. So I think you'll be struggling to kill this phone, yeah, through just one day of battery life, whatever of usage rather. You'll be struggling to kill it, honestly. So yeah, anyway, that's the selling point of the phone, battery life. The whole point of the pova series of Tecno. Okay, so that's about the battery life, and I get 18 watts fast charging. I haven't really tried it. Yeah, I haven't charged the phone yet. As I've told you guys, I've been using it ever since I got it. I haven't had to charge it yet because the battery life is really good. Yeah, so when it comes to the battery life, it's really recommendable. You're not going to have any issues, and I think anyone looking to buying this phone will be focused so much on the battery life of it. Okay, so moving on to the performance. So the performance on here is entry level. So don't expect anything out of the ordinary. You won't get entry level performance. So I played based on it, and it was struggling a little bit even at default settings. Just played it for a few seconds and started throttling right away. Yeah, you could tell that frames were dropping significantly. For the likes of Temple Run, you won't have any issues really. You won't play it smoothly without any issues. That is easy games. You will not have too many issues with it. Yeah, so that's about the performance. Don't expect anything special. But I'm going to be doing a full gaming review of it, so you guys should watch out for that. Subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, talking about the speakers on this the speaker, it's quite tinny sounding, and it's not that loud, to be honest. Yeah, and the quality isn't there either. So yeah, I think you don't expect anything better at this price point. So yeah, I don't expect a very good speaker, and it's actually a single frame speaker at the bottom. You don't have stereo speakers. Yeah, not like you would expect them at this price point anyway. Right, so moving on to the cameras. I say the cameras are okay, nothing special, and yeah, I think they're made worse. they're made to appear worse by the 720p washed out display. You know, makes the images look worse than they really are, I think. Yeah, so the cameras are not really the best on here, but yeah, they're usable. That's what I'll say. You know, because I don't think you're going to be buying this for camera quality anyway. So yeah, that's basically it about the cameras. And yeah, I think that's generally all I'll have to say about this phone. If you're looking for a very good battery life in a phone, 111, and yeah, a cheap price. Okay, I would say it's not exactly that cheap, but entry level, $135. Yeah, this is a very good phone. I would recommend it, but obviously I don't think you have a choice between this and maybe old flagships. You should go for this for daily usage because of the battery life. Day-to-day tasks, it's going to be very fine. You know, you're not going to have many issues with it. So yeah, I can easily recommend this for a person who's actually very heavy on their phone, like in terms of using it for very many calls or anything of that sort. Obviously not for things like video editing or anything of that, because it's not going to have the performance for that. But if you're the kind of person who's on calls all the time and you need your phone to be up and running all the time, yeah, you need a ton of battery life. That's the point of this phone right here. Don't expect too much performance. Don't expect the best camera quality. Don't expect the best speakers, neither the best display. But you'll get the best battery life, that I can guarantee. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.